This is Xiaomi Pad 6. Let's review it along with its accessories, keyboard and pen second generation. Xiaomi Pad 6 is a great tablet for both productivity and entertainment. It has a large 11-inch display with 144Hz cinematic display, makes the display very smooth and fluid. Dolby Vision support can produce stunning visuals with more contrast and deeper blacks. This makes it perfect for watching movies or TV shows that were created with Dolby Vision in mind. It's only 6.5 mm in thickness and weighs just 490 grams in spite of its metal body, which makes it easy to hold in one hand. 165.18 wide and 253.95 mm tall, this makes it comfortable to hold in landscape mode for watching videos or playing games. Xiaomi Pad 6 equipped with a powerful Snapdragon 870 processor and a long-lasting battery with 8800 mAh battery. 33-watt fast charging included in the box and USB Type-A to Type-C cable, which Xiaomi claims that it can charge 100% in just 100 minutes. And Pad 6 comes with LPDDR5 RAM and in two variants, that is 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB and 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage. And coming to build and design, the Xiaomi Pad 6 has 4 speakers, 2 on top and 2 at the bottom, with the support of Dolby Atmos that can produce immersive audio that surrounds you. Power button on the top, volume rockers on the right, and one mic here. And this is the magnetic slot to charge and hold Xiaomi Pen 2, which we will get to see details in a minute. And here another mic, and at the bottom there are two speakers and type C, and here another mic. And on the left side it's completely plain with a complete magnetic bezel to attach with Xiaomi keyboard, and also works as a stand as well. Front side, an 8 megapixel camera placed at the center of the device in landscape mode, which is a perfect place while having video calls. And this is how the video and audio quality with 1080p with 30 fps, and which is quite okay for taking video calls. And on the back side you get a 13 megapixel camera with flashlight, and this is a dummy slot just to keep the design more elegant and look like an iPad Pro. And here are some of the samples taken with rear camera. And Xiaomi Pad 6 is available in two colors, which is graphite grey and mist blue. And also Xiaomi Pad 6 supports bigger screens. Add HDMI to Type-C cable. With this support, you can convert your monitor into a smart TV and enjoy 4K videos with 60 fps. Not only that, this is really helpful when you want to present anything from the tablet on a bigger screen. And also, Xiaomi Pad 6 has one unique feature, that is smartphone link, in which you can just drag and drop photos from your phone to Xiaomi Pad 6. But this is really restricted to only Xiaomi phones. And hopefully, Xiaomi will extend these features to other phones as well. When it comes to tablets, we really focus on the software rather than on the hardware, and we want our tablets to be run smooth, fluid, no jitters and no lag while playing games or watching movies. We also want a tablet that can handle multitasking without any problem. But this time Xiaomi taking a different approach. They are not only focusing on the software, but they are also providing a specific hardware accessories that can enhance the tablet experience. And this is a great move by Xiaomi. This shows that they are really thinking about the user experience to make it better. This keyboard case from Xiaomi attaches to this 3-pin, due to which there is no need for pairing and you can start typing immediately. Keys are nice and smooth and the build quality is premium and feels like a leather. Shortcuts like text selection by holding shift key, copy and paste, move between screens, escape, all works like a regular keyboard. If you want a proper tablet experience, you can detach in a second and you are good to go. But a keyboard with a tracking pad would have been given even a better experience. This brings to our next accessory, that is Xiaomi Pen 2nd generation. Xiaomi Pen 2nd generation has matte finish, nice grip. It can be attached to Xiaomi Pad 6 on top like this. Get this little quick pop-up showing the battery percentage. And Xiaomi claims this with one charge it can last up to 150 hours of battery. And it has two buttons. If you long press the back button, you can take a screenshot. If you long press the front button, you can take a quick notes. And within the notes you can move around the pens by clicking the front button, and you can choose the colors by clicking the back buttons. And it has a 4096 level pressure sensitivity. By applying gentle pressure you get a thin line. As you press harder you get the darker and wider line. And here you can write notes, do your creative stuff like painting, drawing, sketches. But the keyboard comes at rupees 4999, which is a bit expensive. With this cost I would have expected easily a trackpad, and a pen costs 5999. This is also, I feel, a bit expensive. They must have included some other functionalities like gesture functionalities and all at this cost. And we will definitely have another detailed review because there are more to talk on these accessories in a separate video. And one of the main purpose of a tablet is multitasking and quick accessing of the tools. For example, if you are working on a productivity tool and you need to calculate something, you can just swipe up either of these sides, take the calculator and leave on the screen, which works like a floating window. After its use, you can just drag to either of these edges of the tablet to minimize. Similarly, if you are watching a tutorial on YouTube and you want to take a quick notes, you can swipe up and drag the note app to either of edges where you want. And also you can slide this left and right to make it big and small screen as per your convenience. And the best part is, until you close windows, it saves the split windows in the memory and you can access them again with a single touch. And when it comes to gaming, Xiaomi Pad 6 with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos sound with quad speakers, which will give you an immersive experience of gaming. And we have tested with Asphalt 9 BGMI Pure Sniper. I didn't find even a single frame drop while playing. It's quick, clear in all the sides, and sound quality with the quad speakers will give you an immersive experience to game lovers. But BGMI and Pure Sniper were running on 144 Hz and Asphalt 9 was always running on 60 Hz. Though the tablet is for 144 Hz display, but the majority of the use I have seen it's ranging from only 60 to 120 Hz only, even if I set the 144 Hz display. But this is not expected because Xiaomi advertises a lot on 144 Hz display, but majority of the time I haven't seen 144 Hz. But the Xiaomi Pad 6 is available only in Wi-Fi variant and it is available in India at 26 999. Overall, this budget-friendly, rich feature tablet coupled with accessories will definitely enhance your productivity and make your entertainment experience better. And all the links are in the below description. And if you want a case without any keyboard, then you can go for this has also have a pen stand here, and if you are not using, then there is a stand also like this, you can keep it. This is comes around 800, which is good. It feels leather, but keyboard will give you a better experience if you are more of productivity purpose if you are buying a tablet. Please let me know in the comments below section about your thoughts on this tablet. Please like, share and subscribe to get more stuff like this. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.